Another, why is your fridge leaking? This is a side by side, so the freezer's on the left, the fridge is on the right. That's your problem right there. The drain's back there. On this is a Frigidaire. Remove this stubborn little black piece. It's not going to want to come out. I have to cut that footage for you. Take out these 1/4-inch screws. There's 4 on the bottom. That's all. And then this panel pops up. They realized to make it easy for us to just do this, because this is going to happen all the time. And it's going to keep leaking and dripping. Now, you need a steamer. I prefer a steamer to anything else. You could use a blow dryer, but you'll see why a steamer is preferable. First, melt all the ice in the pan, then all the ice under the pan. There's a bunch of ice you can't see. Just keep melting this. Take about 10 minutes to just steam everything. Throw this big chunk of satisfying ice out, dry everything up, and then you want to pour some water in. Why? Because it didn't go down, so it's just going to freeze again. Now take your steamer and stick it in there. This is about maybe 6 minutes of steaming, and then I pour another cup, and then all your hopes and dreams go down the drain.